Hello there. This is a Skoda Octavia Mk3 Facelift, and in this video I'll reveal 5 top tips you need to know. To be honest though, I'd rather give you 6 top tips, but unfortunately, I can't count that high. Welcome to Cars by TV. Alright then, let's start with tip number 1. If your Octavia gets a puncture and you need to jack it up to fit the spare wheel, it's easy to find the jacking points. Why? Because there are indents on the sill that show you where to look. Here's a close-up of one of those indents, and that's the corresponding jacking point underneath. Tip number 2. These lines on the reversing camera reveal roughly how close you are to any hazards. This line is about 40 centimeters, that line is about 100, and that line is about 200. Tip number 3. If you've got a drink you want to keep cool, the Octavia makes that easy. Just pop it into the glove box like so, and then open this vent. There we go. And now cool air from the car's air conditioning system will flow into the glove box and chill your drink. That's not mine. Can you guess what's next? That's right. It's tip number 4. If you carry one of these emergency fluorescent jackets, you can store it in a compartment designed specifically for it. Now, can you guess where it is? No? Okay, I'll show you. It is in fact in the front of the driver's seat, all the way down there. Tip number 5. You can open or close all the windows simultaneously via the key fob. To open the windows, simply press and hold down the unlock button, and to close the windows, press and hold down lock. So as of now, all the windows are closed, as we can see. There we go. And if we press and hold down the unlock button, are you ready for this? There we go. They're opening up, and that's very handy if you want to vent the car out on a hot day. And of course we can close them as well, as I said earlier. Fancy a go at that? All right then, here we go. Very nice too. I use that a lot. Now, do you remember what I said at the beginning of this video? I said there were 5 tips. Well, turns out that was wrong. There are actually 6. Tip number 6. If you're walking past a Ford Mondeo and the towing eye is fitted, as this one is here, don't crack your shin on it, because that really hurts. That's it for now, but if you've got any more Skoda Octavia tips, please let me know in the comment section. And as always, you're welcome to subscribe to Cars by TV and click like on this video. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.